Welcome to TrustVare MSG Converter, the ultimate solution to effortlessly convert multiple MSG files into a variety of formats. Features of the TrustVare MSG Converter program: selective MSG file, folder migration, migrate multiple MSG files without restrictions, maintains data integrity during conversion, convert MSG files to PST, PDF, MBOX, EML, EMLX, HTML, MHTML, and more. Option to name the resultant data file. Filtered conversion with 100% accuracy. Start by downloading and installing TrustVare MSG Converter on your Windows PC. Once installed, launch the application to begin your seamless conversion journey. Import your MSG files with ease. Choose folder mode or file mode and select the MSG file you want to convert from your local storage. After importing, TrustVare MSG Converter gives you a preview of the data within your file, so you can ensure everything is intact before conversion. Select from a wide range of export formats, including PST, PDF, MBOX, EML, EMLX, HTML, MHTML, and more. No matter the format you need, TrustVare MSG Converter has you covered. Want to filter your data? Use the advanced filtering options to sort files by date or subject, ensuring a precise conversion with 100% accuracy. Choose the output location for your converted files and give it a custom name to stay organized. Once you're ready, click Convert Now, and TrustVare MSG Converter will begin processing your files efficiently, ensuring data integrity throughout the process. Your conversion is complete. Access your files in the Output folder, now available in the format you selected. Experience the efficiency and ease of TrustVare MSG Converter. Download now and enjoy seamless MSG file conversion with complete data integrity. Thanks for watching.